Namaskaram, welcome back to the Roots. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Ilayalvar was very upset because he could not study under Alavandar anymore, and he missed that opportunity. So that made him feel very sad. So life was going on for him. One day, Ilayalvar invited Tirukachinambi to his house for lunch because he believes that if we take the leftover food of the Bhagavatas, it relieves us from dosham and it gives some sanctity to us. So, Ilayalvar requested him to have food in his house. But when he was not at home, Tirukachinambi happened to visit the house and he had food and he was happy about it, and after he had food he left the house. When Ilayalvar came to know that he already had food, he asked his wife where are the leftovers. She said, I cleaned that place, because she made him sit outside the house and offered food because Tirukachinambi did not belong to the community to which she belonged. So she said, I made fresh food for you and me. After hearing this, Ilayalvar became upset and he went to ask apology from Tirukachinambi. He met Tirukachinambi and expressed his feelings to him. And he told him, there are certain things disturbing me. I would like to get answer from Perumal. Why don't you get answer from Perumal for my questions? So Tirukachinambi said, yes, when I talk to him, I will mention all that. Then he had an opportunity and he got answers from our 6 commandments from God. They are, I am the Supreme. Jivatmas are different from me. Third one, accepting me as the only refuge is the only means to attain me. Then Antima Smriti Varjanam. For Prapannas, there is no need for thinking about me while leaving their body, since Bhagavan declares in Varaha Charma Slokam that he will think about us during our last moments. Interestingly, all our acharyas reveal that they are thinking about their acharyas instead of Bhagavan while leaving their body. This is the beautiful inner meaning of our sampradayam, that one should always be thinking about his or her acharya. The next one is, Prapannas will be liberated at the end of this body and will ascend to Paramapadam to eternally serve him there. Then the last one is, accept Mahapurnar, that is Periyanambi, as Acharyan. So now Ilayalvar got the answer. So he was convinced about the decision, what he had in his mind. So he wanted to leave for Srirangam, and he left. On the way he visited Madurantagam. There in Srirangam, the other disciples asked Periyanambi to bring Ilayalvar to Srirangam because he has to take the next leadership should be taken by him. That is what Alavandar also wished to have. So they all insisted that he must be brought here, or Ilayalvar must be brought to Srirangam. So Periyanambi came with his wife. So on the way he visited Madurantakam. So both of them met there. Then they expressed what they wanted to say. Then Periyanambi did Pancha Samskaram to Ramanuja, that Ilayalvar. He taught him the Tirumantaram, Vayamantaram and Charma Slokam. And after that they left for Kanchipuram because he wanted to learn so much from Periyanambi. So he stayed there, and Periyanambi and his wife stayed in a portion of Ramanuja's house, Ilayalvar's house. But what happened one day, there was a misunderstanding between Periyanambi's wife and Ilayalvar's wife, and they were drawing water from the well. So that ended up with some misbehaving. So Periyanambi decided if they stay here, that will aggravate the problem. So they left for Srirangam without informing Ilayalvar. So when Ilayalvar came to know about this, he was very upset, he was very sad. Then he decided to take up sannyasa. Then he went to the Anantadaras temple pond, and as a mark of sannyasa, Kashaya Vadai, that is sannyasi dress, and he renounced all the relationships and other possessions and everything. Then he took the Tridandam and had the blessings of Perumal, and he came to be known as Sri Ramanuja Muni from that day onwards. Ramanuja means Raman's brother. In Treta Yugam, Adiseshan is born as Lakshmana, and in Kali Yugam, Adiseshan is born as Ramanuja. Now, Ramanuja's life as a sannyasi continues. So let's see what happened after that. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.